Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make repost public TikTok. So all you have to do is to launch your TikTok application. Now, if you wanted to repost a video, you just have to tap repost and you can see there your video has been reposted. Now, to see that, you can go to your profile and tap the repost button to see if you have reposted the video. But the problem is you don't know if this video is public or private. To make it public, go to the three lines, go to settings and privacy. Now you just have to tap this privacy that is below account. Now, if you tap story, you can see their options. Everyone, followers to follow back, only me. We can add your post to the stories. Same goes with other features here. Now, other regions and countries can see that repost feature here. But in my case, like in my country, I can see that. Or maybe there's something problem with my TikTok. Now, to see if that public or to make my repost public, all I have to do is to go back and click report a problem. And then here you just have to scroll down. Under topics, click videos and sounds. Now scroll down and then look for other and then look for other again. And then here, all you have to do is just simply click no and then tap need more help. Now, what you're going to do here is just simply tell them about your problem. Okay, so for example, hi, please help me. I don't see the option or the repost button on my TikTok and I can set it to public. Click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond to your concern. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.